Happy here. How is everyone doing? So for today's video, I tested this new palette that I got. It's actually from the collaboration that Pony did with Morphe, and as you know, I'm a big fan of Pony. So I finally purchased the palette and I created this lavender look that I'm gonna share with you guys, and you can totally wear this at your Zoom meetings or just like walking around the house, so when you want to look bougie, in other words. But let's go. I'm starting off the makeup with the Beauty Blender foundation. I'm putting that all over my face because my skin hasn't looked at its best these past few weeks. My anxiety has been through the roof, and this is what it caused my breakouts. And now I'm going with a concealer, and I'm putting that all over my blemishes and my dark circles. And yes, I do the triangle under my under my eyes, so please try not to judge me too hard for doing that. And I know the packaging of my concealer is kind of dirty, so I apologize for that. And now I'm going with an eye primer, and I put that all over my eyelids so it makes my eyeshadow set better. So now I'm going in with the Morphe palette, and I start off with this white eyeshadow to help me set up the base. And yes, this is how my year is going so far, everyone. So I put that eyeshadow all over my eyelid, and those eyeshadows are matte and chalky, so it actually takes time to build up that color. And now I'm using this lavender, and I put it all over my eyelid. So I blend it, and I try to like blend it as much as possible to get to the lavender shade I want. And now I'm using this beautiful glitter color, and I put that all over my eyelid. And now I'm going in with this dark purple, and I don't know the names of the eyeshadows because that plastic which has like the names of all of the eyeshadows that was inside the palette, I threw that away. So yeah, that was a very smart move on my side. This look wouldn't be complete with winged eyeliner, and oops, I did that off camera. Now I'm using the same eyeshadows that I just used but for my under eye area to make my eyes pop, and I'm putting that glitter in my inner corner. And I'm using this eyebrow kit from Innisfree to fill in my eyebrows. I like the shape of them already, so I never do anything crazy to my brows. And I use the lightest shade from the kit. And how is everyone doing? How is quarantine going for you guys? Please let me know in the comments. And I use this mascara. It's waterproof, even though I don't need that since I stay at home, but this is the only one I have right now. And I put a bit of balm, and here's your meme content. Now I'm using this cushion blusher from the Face Shop. I really like the color. It's a pink, and it goes with my skin color, and I blend that in so it gives a more natural look to it. And I'm using this Lancome palette. I actually use only the highlighter from it because it's super pigmented and I really like it, and I feel like it goes with the eyeshadow. So I put that on my cheekbones and more so it makes my skin glow. And I love this brush from Fenty Beauty. It's made for a highlighter. I recommend this to everyone. I also put a bit of my nose and on my lips. And I'm finishing off the look with this liquid lipstick. It's very hydrating and not super pigmented because I want the main focus to be on the eyeshadow.